Thanks to a rigorous engineering process, the Dimide Clamp is compatible with an impact wrench. This allows it to deliver a much greater clamp load than our competitors. Watch as the Dimide Clamp effortlessly delivers over 4,000 pounds of load with the use of an impact wrench, as our competitor's clamp forces the user to struggle to deliver only about 1,700 pounds, using 2 hands. With all this power, weld gaps are a problem of the past. Watch as our competitor's clamp makes the user struggle without even shrinking the gap. Now, watch as the Dimide Clamp effortlessly closes the same gap. Stop struggling with outdated clamps by backing the Dimide Clamp on Kickstarter, launching November 16th.